you before. Last time I was here. Just worked it out. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm going to take my hand off now because I know the answers to the questions. But I'm still going to talk to you, okay?
What was he going into, sorry?
So, Tessie,
classroom.
if I spoke about the doctor, was he... Did you know him? About Dr. Bernardo's? Did you know him? Did you like him? Okay. Do you still like him?
She knows the balls, yeah.
Was he a good man? We've got the ball now. Have we got the ball now? No. Oh, damn.
We've got a kid's toy.
Got a kid's toilet.
The cat.
Yeah, the cat. It's in the bed.
Okay. If we got out, would you move it? Got the cat out of the bathroom.
Out of bed.
Would you move it? Or would you try to move it? I know it takes a lot of energy to do that, doesn't it? And do you want it left in this room? No, you want it in the art room? Okay.
If we draw around it, would you move it?
Is that cool?
Is it cool? If we draw around the toy, would you move it for us?
Okay.
Okay, cool.
And leave it in the art room?
It's cold, isn't it?
What else? Are there any other spirit people here with you, Tessie? What's it? Okay, so you're doing really well talking to us now using this. Do you think if we took this off the table and put our fingers on the table, you'd be able to move the table? Do some table tipping with us. Want to give it a go? We can get more people on the table. Okay. We're going to take this off the table now, and we're going to put our hands on the table and see if we can move the table, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a go. So. Oh! No, you're fine then.
I feel very happy.
Yeah.
Very, very happy.
Okay, so it's the same. Obviously, you can be on it if you want to be on it. If you feel you need to take your hands off it. Okay, Tessie. Can you move this table for us? Can you make it dance, make it wobble? Or tap on it for us?
I feel like she's running around us at the moment.
Cold breeze on.
Just sort of around, sort of skipping and running.
Got a headache. Come on, Tessie. You're doing so well before. Can you do it on here as well? Can you build that energy up? Move the table. You've got 6 people around here waiting for you. Come and play with us. Can you copy it? Can you do the same? Come on.
Sorry, that was me. Sorry.
What was that? Yeah!
Bad cameraman.
Come on, my lovely. Come and shake this table up.
Come on, Ryan. IBIL. Follow through with demand.
What was that noise over there?
I think it was behind you.
I thought he was there.
It sounded like a chair or something moved over there.
There's somebody else standing in that doorway.
That's only rude, but I kept thinking that there was something, not because I could hear people in there.
We was both there and that there.
Yeah, I was like,
I could get a song into my head, but she's singing.
but it's an older person. It's not her.
No, I don't like that.
Caretaker.
No.
I've gone freezing cold.
I'm about to say this side of me's
Yeah.
just gone cold.
Yep,
Yeah.
caretaker.
Yeah, goosebumps.
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't know if she's here.
No, she's gone. Caretaker stuff.
Okay.
Is he still at the door, Ryan?
Yeah. Point the camera at it for a sec. Okay, if you can show yourself to us. You can show yourself as an orb, as light. We welcome you into this room. Come talk to us. It's really annoying because I can't see him properly. It's like his energy's there and he's like looming over it, almost trying to
Yeah.
have that sort of
I feel
atmosphere.
like it's
Yeah.
towered over me. It's
Yeah.
not there,
No,
He likes
You've got one of them.
I don't have the equipment on it.
No.
Oh no, that's
but no,
Idiots.
It's like the other kind of.
I was going to say that was flashing big.
Guys, do you get anything next door?
Maybe next room where the
Yeah.
tables are. It feels like something now, if I'm honest.
Should we go for it? Should we go into that room?
Yeah, that might be an extra.
Yeah, let's go into that room. Sorry, that's just me.
Do you still want the camera on?
You can pause it if you like.
I don't know how this thing works.
Sorry, mate.
Selfie.
Trying to do this and watch it at the same time.
Sorry, mate.
And I'll switch this thing off.
Yeah, it should be able to pause it, just push the button or something. Yeah, push that big button there.